Galing mo nakakit ka dyan
Look.
Wow, tic-tac-toe.
Hi.
Hello.
It's a message. It's a message.
There are message?
Yes.
What is? Go. Slide. Three, go. Slide, lakas na loob mo Good job. Balik. Again. Lakas na loob akyat na. Sige. Okay, akyat, plank. Nakangiti. Hello. Nakangiti ka pa. Slide. 2, 3, go. Slide. Yeah. Oh, again pa na. More. You lost? It went out?
Yeah.
Oh, let Halil pass muna.
Look.
Let Halil.
See that right there?
Yeah. It's broken. Wala nang takot ka.
Slide. Go.
3. Slide. 1, 2, 3, go slide. Oh, go. Whoop. Twink.
I guess that's the first one.
Oh, go. Hurry up, kasi Halil is gonna come. Oh, look, Kuya is sliding now. Look, Halil is not even scared, Kuya. Move away. Oy, naku, you'll fall like that. Just go down. Because Halil is gonna slide. Okay, it's your turn now. Move away, Kuya. Move away. You're gonna bump the head.
Yeah, it can go up. Hey, the slippers.
Oh, there.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Careful. Wala pa. 3. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, you know what to break na. Oh, Kuya. It doesn't want to stop. Bye. Don't leave the towel, Kuya. Keep the towel, Hello. Lakad ka lang parang ano. Hello. 2, 3, go! Slide! Alam mo na mag-break ka. Good job! More!
Go.
1, 2, 3, go! Slide! Marunong ka na mag-break ka. Saan hindi na papagod? More! Slide! Whoa! 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 Ants? Ants? There's ants? There's ants? There's ants? Hi, ants. Yep.
There's too many grown-up friends.
Yeah, that's fine. They're just playing there.
But what I'm looking for is one of the friendly ones.
Oh, yeah. Let's just play here for now.
Go!
2, 3, go! Whoa! Ah, okay. Huh? Careful, ah. Leaves. Throw the leaves. Bye-bye, leaves.
We could use them as walkie-talkies.
Yeah.
If you have two phones, we could use them as walkie-talkies. Go! On my mission.
Go! No, we don't have phones. I just have one phone. Yeah. You want to eat this, oh? This one? Chocolate?
But how can I talk to you if I'm not my mission? Well, they trying to get on the blood breaker.
I'll find you. I'll find you because I'm a I'm on a mission too.
That can track me.
Yeah. I can know. Just don't go outside, just around here. So
Okay.
you don't be lost.
So, can you track me?
Yeah, I will.
Talk to me? I have an idea.
What's your idea?
We can.
Hey. Hello.
Do you have a tracker? Do you have a tracker?
Yeah, I have. My eyes. I have a track on your shirt. It's red, so I can see it right away.
But
It's like your.
how will you talk to me?
I'll shout, Nathan.
The others will know.
That's okay.
Ooh,
They'll know.
so
They don't know who's Nathan is. Up. Oh. Oh. Awi na.
wait a second. I I have another plan. First, I go to you and talk about my story.
Okay. Awi. Awi. Awi, pero slide pa rin.
Look at me while I'm...
Wow.
Papa.
Go. Ooh. Oh, where's Kuya? There, Kuya. Let's go with Kuya. Let's go with Kuya. Yehey! Tapos na rin mag-slide sa wakas.